Sleepy Kitchen with Tiffany, Lauren, and Angela, provided by students like you. Today we will be making cheese. To make cheese, we will need 2 cups of milk and 10 teaspoons of vinegar. Angela has already gotten started. What you doing, Angela?
I am currently stirring the milk at a medium temp in the pot. The pot needs to be very clean. Any additional substances will interfere with the chemical processes.
The making of cheese involves the fermentation of milk. This type of fermentation is called lactic acid fermentation. It takes place in some bacteria and animal cells. This process occurs after glycolysis, which produces 2 ATP, 2 NADH+, and 2 pyruvate molecules.
The fermentation process takes place when there is no oxygen for cellular respiration to continue. The 2 pyruvate molecules are converted into 2 lactate molecules through a redox reaction.
The pyruvate molecule takes on the hydrogen ion from the NADH+, which then becomes NAD+, in order for it to be recycled for later reactions. The oxidation of the NADH+ leads to the reduction of the pyruvate molecule. The oxygen in the pyruvate is able to accept the hydrogen ion from the NADH+ to form a hydroxyl group, and therefore the lactate molecule. The formation of the lactic acid causes the pH of the milk to lower. Due to this, a protein in the milk called casein congeals. For the lactic acid fermentation to take place, you must add bacteria to the milk for it to cause the fermentation process. However, adding acid like lemon juice or vinegar causes the same reaction to take place. Professional cheesemakers add microorganisms to ferment the milk. However, we do not expect you to have microorganisms in your own home, so we are using vinegar. The negatively charged casein reacts with the hydrogen ions in the vinegar to congeal the milk.
And the end product looks like this. What you doing, Angela?
I'm just stirring the milk. It looks like it's about to boil.
Yeah. Let's take a look.
Now let's add the 10 teaspoons of
Vinegar, of white vinegar. Alright. Watch as the milk congeals. Can you? Okay, that's good. Now we need to strain out the whey. So we're gonna put it in a different pot. And we're going to use a cloth. There we go. You can pull up that. Go ahead. Okay. Now we need to just remove all the water. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so we're going to check up on the cheese, see if it's done. And it is. It is a nice ball of cheese. It's a little warm still, so we need to let it cool down before you can eat it. And anyways, before you can eat it, you need to wait 24 hours.
And to add some flavor and make it taste good, I would add some herbs and spices.
Salt. Yeah.
Yeah. There's the finished product. Yum. Tastes
good.
really good.
That's all for today's episode in the AP Kitchen, brought to you by Colorful Aprons.